Hello and welcome to another daily Japanese booster pack opening. And it is the end of Thursday, which can only mean that tomorrow's Friday. Oh my goodness. I'm excited for the weekend. Excited to relax. Decompress, do all that good stuff. Alright, let's see what we start off with today. Ooh, something new. Got a Ninetales. Wow, this artwork is really nice. Ooh, and it's got an ability. Maybe we'll check it out if there's nothing else interesting in the pack. Got ourselves a Mareep. Oh, the electric sheep. And Pansage. Pansage. That's cool. The grass monkey. Alright. The uncommon of the day. Ooh, a dragon. Kind of dragon. Ooh. The Flapple. That's an interesting artwork. Oh, it's spitting out like a poison or something. That's cool. Cool. Alright. And let us see. The final card is... Oh, what? Oh my... Another... Oh my goodness. Is this... The rest of this box is gonna be so boring. I gotta come up with a way to double rare. Oh, is it the Appleton or Flapple VMAX? We'll see. Yeah, I gotta come up with a way to make the second half interesting. Grass. Rot. I don't know, what is... Oh. It's the Trevenant V. That's cool. Oh. Shall take a look at its abilities. Oops, I forgot to pull up. Let's pull up the... Evolving Skies. And it is... Trevenant V. Yep. So its first attack is 1 grass, 1 colorless, 30 damage. Absorb life. Deals 30 and it heals 30 off of itself. That's cool. Second attack is an additional grass. So 2 grass, 1 colorless. Shadow Claw, 120 damage. Discard a random card from your opponent's hand. Ooh. That's actually not too bad for a basic. Huh. I'm sure there's a way to kind of exploit that and accelerate some damage on there. Okay, the interesting one the card I'm interested in is this Ninetales. Are you... Oh! It's not in Evolving Skies. So, let's see if we can look at this. It says, Kono Pokemon, this Pokemon, Kairu Kagiri, Kono Pokemon ga iru kagiri. As long as this Pokemon is basic fire energy がついている自分のポケモン全員の逃げるためのエネルギーは to go. Oh, it's something like as long as there's fire energy on this, your Pokemon's retreat cost is 2 less. Oh, that's interesting. You gotta get a fire energy on it though, so. And it's a stage 1, so kind of so. We'll see. Okay. Let's take a look at the binder. Oh, we can put our Pant Sage right next to our Simi Sage. That's cool. And oh, we did get a Vulpix. So our Ninetales can go right next door. Right over there, beautiful. And we've got another copy of a Mareep. So that's that. Oh my goodness, there are 1, 2, 3, and then is it 3 or there 4? I've got 4 of them already, or 4 V cards. I'm gonna guess it's next to the Appleton. Number 50. Yep, Flapple is right next to Appleton. Makes me wonder. Oh, is the oh yeah, the Applin is a grass type. Go figure. All right. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun. See you back here tomorrow for another daily Japanese booster pack opening. I don't know. Have a fantastic Friday. Stay safe out there, everybody. Hope you enjoy your Friday. And I will see you guys next time.